Hey, what's up, beautiful people? My name is Life with Ike. In today's video, we're going to be getting into customizing my skateboard. This is my baby. It helps me get from point A to point B. I'm not a skater boy, but I'm going to be customizing this deck into a Kanye West inspired skateboard deck. This video is also going to be super interesting because this is my first time using spray paint, and I have done intensive research on what type of spray paint to use and how to use it. So without further ado, let's just hop right into the custom.
Spitfire can't jog my heat. Hit my Spitfires knock the street, yo. TikTok can't stop my feet. Here real G rock the beat. Had a fun time.
So the first step is prep. Basically, taking this board and sanding it down so that it's going to be bare wood.
Let the cool kids do this. And the flows be too sick.
And then we're gonna spray paint this white so we can have
this my city right here.
a perfect canvas to get started.
Girls be saying that I'm with them, but I wasn't. Cause everybody want kicks like me. Everybody want chicks like me. Everybody want flicks like me. Everybody trying to get like me. Everybody want kicks like me. Everybody want chicks like me. Everybody want flicks like me. Why? Everybody trying to get like me. Wanna know where to find me? Find a place with the most skateboards, scrape concrete, with my G's behind me. Yeah, we ain't afraid of none of the zombies. More peace than Gandhi. Up all night, never sleep, you can call me insomniac. Bringing it way back before I got to cruise with my dad, playing tracks in the Maybach. Now I'm king of the misfits, so all my G's, Moy's king of the kickflips. And it must be the raps I spit to get invited to these parties with all of these hot actresses. Yo, I ain't even mad at this, but I'll probably get some crap for this from my parents and my sis and the people I be acting with. But it's cool, I'm an acting trip.
Now we have this blank skate deck, okay? It's like baby smooth. Yeah. I'm outside here in Morningside Park, and it was too nice of a day not to do at least the spray painting portion of the custom, especially because they finally came in. This was supposed to come in on Tuesday, but it's here today. So I'm gonna do a quick unbox it real quick and then kind of hop into it. I'm just gonna go over the colors that I got. So this right here is cream orange. This is, what is this? This is Teen Spirit, okay? This is Valerie. All right, this is Acid Green. And I have Jord. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's like a blue. And then just my white and black. All right, so I know that when it comes to using the spray paint, have to shake it for at least 1 to 2 minutes. So there's like a little ball inside of it. Basically shakes the paint up. The drying time, it says anywhere from like 15 to 20 minutes. So we'll kind of see. I don't think I'm gonna do the white base coat first. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and go straight to just doing the gradient, to be honest. Seems like the easiest thing to do. So let's kind of get this on without further ado. So yeah.
Me all walk like a champion, act like a champion. What a piece of money, girl, tell me where you get it from. Knock on your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Girl, let me in, me have the thing where you are waving. Walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of money, girl, how where you get it from. Knock on your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Girl, let me in, why? Me all walk like a champion.
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. Do if you gon' do it just like this.
Like this, like this, like this.
You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shop so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'll get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'll send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And ayy, I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. If you gon' do it just like this.
Like this, like this, like this.
When it feel like living's harder than dying, for me giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming.
Ready or not?
Cause who the kids gon' listen to? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out of PE. They used to feel invisible, now they know they invincible. Ayy, ayy, ayy.
They all walk like a champion, act like a champion. What a piece of money, girl, tell me where you get it from. Knock on your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Girl, let me in, me have the thing where you are waving. Walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of money, girl, how where you get it from? Knock on your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Girl, let me in, why? They all walk like a champion.
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. If you gon' do it just like this.
Like this, like this, like this.
Alright, so I know you are itching to see the final result, but before we get into that, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel and click the notification bell because that alerts you anytime I drop a new video, which I have a whole lot more in store for the next couple of weeks. And like the video if you enjoyed it, found it interesting, and also comment down below what you want to see me customize in the future. I'm really open to anything, especially being in quarantine. So yeah, I'm also doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers, and I will announce that on my Instagram, which is right here. So that about wraps up the video. Yeah. So now for the moment of truth. Let's see what this thing is looking like.
Like we always do with this time. I got to shine, to shine, to shine, to shine. Welcome to the good life with me. CLD won't even get pulled over in they new V. The good life, let's go on a living spree. Say the best things in life are free. The good life, it feel like Atlanta, it feel like LA, it feel like Miami, it feel like NY. Summertime shy.
Now throw your hands up in the sky.
So I rolled the good, y'all pop the trunk, I pop the hood, Ferrari. And she got the good, and she got the I got to look sorry. Yo, it's got to be, cause I'm seasoned. Haters give me them salty looks. Lowry's 50 told me go ahead, switch the style up. And if they hate, then let them hate. Watch the money pile up. The good life.